Hi everybody, it's Brett here with Ackland Media Frames. I just wanted to take a minute today to salute a very important group of people. You know, we're in the midst of this coronavirus pandemic, and normally, as a rule, our company, we're giving shout outs to those in the signage and digital print industry. But today, specifically today, with this nationwide shutdown and stores on rations and alerts and people not able to go anywhere, we want to stop and thank those that work in the trucking and transportation industry. These guys and ladies are unsung heroes. A lot of times they go unnoticed. They probably don't get a lot of thank yous. Many of them work all night long. They're not even often thought of as business people, even though they very much are business people, and they're integral to our nation's economy. And my wife gave me an article. You can read the article below this, talking about if the trucking stops, the world stops. And it's really true. I mean, look around the room you're in. I can look around this room, and I don't think I can find anything that didn't get here, at least partially, on a truck. In fact, a little while ago, I just got done with some of our guys down at the warehouse unloading a truck full of frames, our product, and it was brought here by Tim Lucero with Lucero Trucking in Southern California. Thank you, Tim. But I just thought about it. I said, man, if Tim wouldn't have showed up, we wouldn't be able to show up for you guys. We would never be able to fulfill the orders that come to us all the time. And it's that way with medicine and with food and with pharmaceutical items, gas, all those things that we call essential. So by definition, that means if you're bringing the essential products to the people that need them, you are essential yourselves. You are part of the very fabric of American lifestyle. I've heard of thoroughfares and streets and highways called arteries. You've probably heard main arteries coming in and out of a community. Well, if you think of it that way, you who are occupying the arteries are like the lifeblood of society, because products have no value at all if they never make it to the people. And I was looking online, and there's people doing some really great stuff, saying thank you to the truckers, saying free lunch from 10 to 12 today for all those truckers, sending them cards and, you know, Starbucks cards and all kinds of different stuff, just to show some love to the people of that industry. They're kind of like the first responders of what's going on right now. So we just want to thank you. We want to tell you how much we appreciate you. You people are rock stars. So keep on trucking, and everybody else out there, let's figure out a way to honor them, to let them know just how important they are to our everyday lives. Thank you. God bless.